Hi guys, I have corn and a turkey leg that I made. I actually made the turkey leg in the crock pot last night. Okay, this is what's on my mind first, because I was just getting ready for this mukbang, so I was sitting here thinking like, ugh, I don't want to do my hair. Like, I've been working all day, so I haven't really had time. Well, I've been working and running around, so I didn't really take the time to do much because I knew I wasn't going to be really out. Ooh. So, that's good. I was hungry too. Let's scoot up. Oh. So I knew I wasn't gonna be doing too much. So I was like, I'm not gonna worry about my hair today. But then it's just like, duh, girl, you gotta record. So I'm looking at my hair and I'm like, just put on a headband. You good. But then at the very last minute, I was like, head wraps. Psst. Hello, head wraps. Why haven't I worn one? And I can easily wear head wraps in any shirt because y'all don't even see my pants. So we're gonna start wearing more head wraps when I don't feel like doing my hair. But nobody will know except for the people that watch this episode. Everybody else is gonna be like, oh look, she just wears head wraps now. That's so cute. No, she lazy. I don't want to do her hair today. Okay, so I feel like it's gonna fall apart. It is falling apart. It's good though. You want some, JoJo? Ooh, you didn't even get it. Come on, man. We were doing better. I thought I got you a bigger piece than that. Did you get part of it? I don't know. We'll look in that bag later. I feel like you would smell it if there was more. So I made, cause you know, like you can just buy turkey legs anywhere. But what I like to do is put them in my crock pot. So then you can just like set it and forget it, pretty much. And you lucked out, man. I dropped some. It's down there. I'm tapping my foot. Do you not see? Okay, well, you're gonna be sitting there looking crazy. So you take seasoning and, I mean, you pretty much like take the raw turkey leg, rinse it off, because you should always rinse off your poultry and some other meats, but not all meats. It is over there, huh? I can't get up right now, but I will get you that piece later because I can tell that it's over there. You smell it. Sorry. Okay, so you take your turkey leg and then you rinse it off and then you season it and then you just wrap it in foil and put it in your crock pot. And like pro tip, I just put a little seasoning on the foil and then I set it on there and then I season the thing. Wrap it up. Less mess. Excuse me. Excuse me. This is the Simply Mixed Berry Juice. Excuse me. So then I set it in the crock pot for 8 hours on low. And the meat pretty much falls off the bone. Like I can't pick it up and eat it like you would do at the fair. This corn is juicy. And you know what? I have a lot of scarves. Like, I have a lot of scarves. I need to wear them. And I was looking in my closet yesterday because I was like, what are we gonna do about these clothes? Because I have some clothes that I just like, that needs more salt. I have some clothes that I love, and then, you know, you have to clothes that you like barely wear. And you look, you're like, why did I even buy this? This print is weird. So I found this shirt that I wanted to like it. I really did, but I don't like it. No one else likes it. It's just not a cute shirt. It's about to be a head wrap. So maybe I will wear that. Next video, I'm going to wear that as a head wrap. And I will remind y'all that this is that ugly shirt that I bought that nobody likes. But it's so soft. It feels great. And it'll probably tie onto my head really easily because the material is like slinky. I got the fork, but I really don't feel like I need the fork. I think the corn shot me. My chin is like all on my mic. Sorry, guys. Good boy. That was pretty good. So we went to the dog beach earlier. So somebody was pretty tuckered out. That I did do. He loves the dog beach so much. And I like it because it's nice. And it has Wi-Fi. Yes, I'm here for a dog beach that has Wi-Fi. Question for the audience, especially because I know a lot of you are Black women, because I look at my analytics. Where is everybody buying wigs? I want to learn. Ooh, I don't know if y'all saw that, but it just, it just squirted. I don't know if y'all wear wigs, but I'm trying to learn how to wear wigs because I don't always want to do my hair. But I love my hair, so I'm not cutting it. But at the same time, sit. Terrible. I like pulled all the skin off. But it's like all fat. I can't eat all that. Baby didn't go to the gym today. It's all like right up front. Here we go. Bam. Sexier view. It's meat. There's more corn and I'm probably gonna make it. That corn is delicious. I get so distracted. But usually I don't talk and eat, y'all. Usually it is just me, Netflix, and this food. Where is everybody buying wigs? Put your wig connect in the comments. Are we shopping on Alibaba? Are y'all going to y'all local beauty supply? I honestly just think I'm afraid to put it on because like that is wasting money. Especially like a real human hair wig. Oh my God. And that's essentially what you want if you want it to look real. It needs to be real human hair. Plastic does not work. It looks like plastic. Oh my goodness. I can't finish this. I don't even want to. I want to save it for later. The bones actually might be really good for like a soup. Turkey bone. It had some really good drippings. That sounds so old. But if I wanted to make a gravy, because like when it cooks in the crock pot, like all the juice and fat will run out and you could very easily make a gravy. Excuse me. And then do like mashed potatoes. Actually, I'm so sad because I could have did that. Well, gravy's like not good for you. I'm trying to be healthier. But I have cauliflower in there. Somebody told me that I should try to substitute cauliflower for like mashed potatoes. Didn't we talk about this yesterday? We might have. I don't remember. I think I was talking about how I don't have a food processor. That's terrible. I'm a brat. I have plenty of kitchen supplies. I don't need anything else. But like, what do you use to substitute a food processor though? You can't go to your neighbor's house and be like, can I process my food real quick? You can't do that. Anyways. This is really good. Excuse me. It's this. Like, I love this juice. And I don't drink a lot of things that aren't water. It's rare. I think like out of my 80, I think I might have like 80 videos on here now. I only have oh my gosh. I only have like maybe 10 that don't have me drinking water. If 10. I have some pineapple juice for a long time there. I need to go back and buy some more cans. Because that stuff is pretty good. But it's like water and smoothies. It's rare that I have juices that I like. I was stuck on apple juice for a long time. My mother used to buy it for me. And I only liked the Great Value brand from Walmart because everything else was entirely too sweet. I was only drinking that. I mean, I was drinking other things as well, but that was the only apple juice I was drinking. But I was tripping in high school. Like, I remember I didn't buy, what are those crackers called? My mom bought, they're not Triscuits. I'm gonna have to think about this. My Wheat Thins, oh my God. In high school, I got addicted to them things. Like, I was eating a box of Wheat Thins a day. That was pretty much all I was eating, but That's a lot of food. Like, that's a lot of calories, a lot of carbs. You're in high school though, you don't care. All right. That is all I have for today. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm trying to put up more videos. I'm actually trying to shoot a video and put up a video every day of the week, not the weekends. I can't promise the weekends because I'll be doing things, but during the week, it's not as hard for me to do it. So that's why it's so important for you guys to comment and let me know that you're watching. So I got this cookbook like 3 years ago and I've never actually used it. Well, I've been using it recently, but it has over 250 recipes for easy, delicious meals. So I was thinking about actually making some of these and just, excuse me. Oh, you finally found that piece of turkey, huh? Joe is underneath my feet. So I was thinking about just making a bunch of these recipes and eating them. And it'll expand my culinary skills. So we'll see. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video because why wouldn't you? Bye, guys.